How does the Supreme Court interpret laws? In today's fast-paced world, understanding how the Supreme Court interprets laws is more important than ever. With recent rulings making headlines, many are asking how these decisions shape our legal landscape. Just this week, discussions have intensified around the court's role in defining federal statutes and constitutional rights. So, how does the Supreme Court actually interpret laws? The Supreme Court plays a vital role in interpreting laws in the United States. This process involves several key methodologies and considerations. One major approach is constitutional interpretation. The court uses various methods, including originalism, textualism, and purposism. Originalism focuses on the original intent of the framers of the Constitution. Textualism emphasizes the literal meaning of the text, while purposism seeks to understand the purpose behind the law. Another critical aspect is the reliance on precedent. The court often applies previous decisions to similar cases, ensuring consistency in the law. This principle helps maintain predictability for individuals and institutions alike. Common law principles also come into play, as the court interprets statutes and constitutional provisions by considering past judicial decisions. While the Supreme Court primarily interprets federal laws and the United States Constitution, state courts handle state laws and constitutions. These courts may use similar methodologies but face unique challenges. For instance, they often decide whether to align their interpretations with federal precedents. Judicial review is another essential function of the Supreme Court. This process allows the court to determine if laws are constitutional. The court ensures that laws do not infringe on rights protected by the Constitution, such as due process. Due process requires fair treatment and the opportunity for individuals to defend themselves in legal proceedings. Recent developments have highlighted the court's role in narrowing the interpretation of federal statutes. In cases like Kelly v. United States and Simonelli v. United States, the court has limited the scope of federal fraud statutes. These decisions focus on schemes to deprive victims of money or property, which has significant implications for legal practices. Additionally, the Supreme Court's recent decision to overturn the Chevron doctrine will lead to closer scrutiny of agency interpretations. This change will impact various regulatory areas, making it a hot topic among legal experts and policymakers. These methodologies and considerations illustrate how the Supreme Court interprets laws. By balancing historical context, textual meaning, and the need for fairness, the court shapes the legal framework that governs our society. As new cases arise, the court's interpretations will continue to evolve, affecting the lives of millions.